Hi, I'm Dr. Max, here again, Max Medical Robotic Hair Transplant Clinic, and here with our Dan. He's getting his SMP before the hair transplant tomorrow. So what we can do, we can combine both procedures. SMP stands for scalp micropigmentation. It is a procedure that is intended to add some density to visual density to the existing hairline by kind of similar technique as a tattoo, but it's not a tattoo. Tattoo is using ink. We use a bio enhanced pigment, which is semi-permanent, so it's not gonna stay forever, and that's what we want because hair changes contrast, it become gray, different colors, so we will be able to adjust it later on. So typically, once the procedure is finished, it takes anywhere between 3 to 5 years average for the result to last. The procedure itself is very tedious and very precise. So as you can see, Anna is working now, and she's wearing magnification glasses, and she can see the hair density, and she is matching, blending right into there. So let me just switch to a different view. Okay, Dan, how are you feeling? Any pain?
Nah, it's like a pain between a 1 and a 2, mostly a 1. It's like a little scratching on your head, that's it.
A little scratch. If you're smiling, we can see you're not really suffering here. Yes.
My fans.
Yeah, but again, I had it done too, so yeah, it's just very, very tolerable, just a tiny little scratching feeling. So you can see there's no bleeding because the goal is to use very, very tiny needle. It's not an ink, it's the pigment. I will zoom in a little bit so you can see what happens. See little dots, and actually it's, if you look at those dots on the microscope, they're actually 3 dots, so they mimic the way the follicular unit look like. So we have an average 3 hairs in follicular unit, and you have 3 needles, and it goes very precisely right in between. And you can see this is, we're looking with high magnification, about 8 times, and as we go back, you can see the difference already. So it takes about 3 treatments to complete the procedure. The first treatment is kind of a more like a diagnostic treatment because we want to see how skin react to the pigment, and based on what we see later, we can adjust. Actually, not me, it's going to be Anna. She's going to adjust the contrast. Sometimes she needs to add a little bit more contrast, make it a little darker, or the opposite. We want to be as close as possible to the natural hair shade, and that's what makes it natural, right? We finished the front, and we're gonna move to the crown. Here we go. The most important thing I wanted to mention about SMP, that results are immediate. As soon as we finish procedure, Dan will have an improvement right away. Okay, so when his hair gets wet, it's not going to be as noticeable. While hair transplant, we have to wait for 6 months or so to see some initial result. Of course, it's a hair, but if you combine both hair transplant and SMP, you can have an immediate improvement right away. So with any questions about any hair treatment that we offer in Max Medical, don't hesitate to contact us. Please check our website, bringbackhair.com. You're gonna be in good hands of Anna. She is an excellent artist. She excelled her expertise with SMP, so you're gonna be in very good hands. Like that, you're a lucky guy.
I am a lucky guy.
All right.
I'm gonna go to the prom tonight.
You see, that's a cool thing. He got his treatment and he can go to the prom right away.
That's right.
So call us 954-945-2909. Visit our website bringbackhair.com for more information, questions. We'll be happy to assist you anytime.